Hey there friends, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to watch the FIFA World Cup 2026 on your Windows PC. So all you're going to need is access to the internet and a web browser. So let's get started, and I'm going to open up Google Chrome, and I've already got a few of the websites loaded in. So the first place that you can watch the FIFA World Cup is on the official YouTube channel. So here they're going to be streaming a few of the matches, although not everyone or not every match will be fully available for free. There are some which are going to be limited to like 10-minute previews, although this is a great option if you don't want to have to use a subscription service and are only interested in following along. So the official YouTube channel is one place to start. Additionally, if you are willing to subscribe to the service, there's a free trial for the YouTube TV app. And by using the free trial and and canceling your subscription right before it starts billing, I'm sure you'll be able to watch the entirety of the World Cup without having to pay a single dime. And lastly, one service is through the official FIFA Plus partnership with DAZN. So simply go to dazn.com and look for FIFA Plus. It should be here on the first page, on the front page. Click on Discover More, and you should be able to see all the news related to the FIFA World Cup, any upcoming matches, as well as the standings once it gets started. So that's going to be it for this video. I hope I was able to help you out, teach you something new. And as always, thank you for watching.